Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So I want to give you all an update as to what's going on with me. And let's just address it right away. Yes, I did the big chop. I am so excited. I got a little bit of video that I will show you all. Darby got her haircut. And I'll show you the product. I literally use two products in my hair, a mousse and like this gel from the Design Essential. This literally was the gel that was used on the top of my hair. It's a honey coral forming custard with honey and chamomile. It is like a gel form. I got it at Target. Target has it for $16.99. Ulta has it at $16.99. Sally's has it for $14.99. So yeah, go to Sally's and get it. The bottom part of my hair, like just right by my neck area and my sides, was a little bit of mousse. Use any mousse. I don't know what type that she used, but she did not put the mousse in the top of my hair. Just a little bit of water, and she two-strand twisted the hair. So just so you know, that is how the top was done. And right here is where I did a actual roller set on those hard rollers and twisted my hair around and just kind of picked it out, and then just finger coiled the bottom sides of my hair. So again, I'm going to have a tutorial on it so I can show you how I did it. I'm new to this, so please be patient. This video is not being sponsored at all, and a girlfriend of mine, Mitzie, did the big chop for me, and it's something that I've wanted to do for a long time. And just when I do things, I have to research it. I have to know what I'm getting into. And yes, you all know, many of you know, maybe some of you don't know, because I don't talk about it like I used to, because I used to be called Surviving Beauty. I don't even talk about it anymore as much, but I am a breast cancer survivor, and I have went through the chemo, I went through the radiation, and it was like I had no control over losing my hair and the different things that happened to me. I got control now. I've been cancer free for, I've hit my 5-year mark, put it that way, guys. I've hit my 5-year mark. And I said, you know what? With everything and my hair just seemed like it was thinning at the top, I was like, I'm about to chop my hair off. And my husband was like, just do it. Went ahead, my girl Mitzie did it, and I am absolutely loving it, okay? So I'm gonna turn so you all can see it. Y'all can let me know what you feel, but honey, I really don't care if y'all don't like it. I love it. So yes, so I chopped, I'm gonna show you some pictures, chopped the hair off. I feel free, I feel great. I kind of wet it a little bit, and then she coiled it, finger twisted it, and it kind of helps when you have like the fake nails on, she was saying too, because it kind of helps you to rake through it where you have to use a comb. And then the top, what did she do? Oh, she grabbed, she just two-strand twisted it, not flat twist, just two-strand twisted it. And yeah, this is the finished product. I am loving this. I feel so free. I feel awesome. I cannot even explain how awesome I am feeling right now. I just feel like I can explore a little bit more with my makeup, not too much, but you know, with colors and wearing like a bold lip and you know, your earrings, and I am just so excited. So this is it. So just so you know, she just dampened the hair. I did get a little bit of color in it, very little. I didn't want a lot really to stand out too much, but I just wanted a little bit because color will make your hair look a bit thicker. And my hair is kind of thin, like around these parts of the woods. So I wanted it to look a little bit thicker, but not, you know, have too much color. So her and her daughter Jay is awesome as well. She helped out with everything and actually looked at my hair before it was even time to look at it, and it just was at the perfect color that I wanted. And yes, and then she used Design Essential. It's like this. I'll show you the picture of it right here. She used that, and she just kind of, my hair was not saturated wet. She does not like that. It was actually just damp, really. And twisted the top, 2-strand twist, a few of these at the top, and then kind of finger coiled everything else. So, and then, you know, kind of just got it faded out and everything. So that's about it. I'll probably do a tutorial just to see if I can. I hope I can. I'm gonna probably do some flexi rod sets with just the hair that's at the top. But it was a lot of choices behind doing a cut, and one was because my hair just seemed like it was thinning. And then I would always wear a bun in my hair or a wig, but I felt like the bun was actually really taking my hair out, like, you know, wearing that tight bun. So I stopped wearing that. And doing this cut. I just think that it was probably the best thing, you know, for me. So I'm really excited. My mom cut her hair off, my niece cut her hair off, and my older sister cut her hair off. So we just, all 4 TWAs, and we are excited to be. So that's a quick video. I just wanted to do an update as to why I did the big chop. And we got some tutorials coming, we have some tutorials coming, some face tutorials, some hair tutorials, just some exciting things to come. So just stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.